Hi everybody, Fran here. This video is going to show you how to use the branching feature on Microsoft Forms. Now, when you set up a quiz on Forms, the default setup is that all students go on to the next question regardless as to what their answer is. Now, you might not always want that to be the case. For example, if students get a question wrong, you might want to ask them some follow-up questions to probe a bit further and see how far a misconception goes. Equally, if a group of students get a question right, you might want to probe them and see how far their understanding reaches. The branching feature on Microsoft Forms allows students to be taken in different directions on a quiz dependent on their answers. So the first thing that you need to do is create your Microsoft Form quiz. In order for the branching feature to really work, you need to have all of your questions and answers inputted first. Once you have done your quiz, you are going to click on the question where you want students to be sent off in different directions. The branching feature is available for all question types, but I think it works best for the choice questions. So my screenshots are going to be showing you how you can use the branching feature for the choice questions in particular. So once you have done your quiz and you've clicked on the question where you want the branching feature to occur, you need to look for the three dots in the bottom right hand side of your question, and I've put mine there in a red box with an arrow so you can see roughly where it should appear on your screen. Once you've clicked on those three dots, a series of options appear, and you'll notice that the last option for you to click on is called Add Branching. So you're going to want to click on that option. From there, a drop-down menu will appear next to each of your answers, and it's that drop-down menu that's going to allow you to determine where students go from that point onwards. For any question where you don't want students to go automatically onto the next question, click on that drop-down menu. The drop-down menu has all of the questions on your Microsoft Form quiz, and that's why it's really important that you've done the quiz beforehand. All you need to do is decide which question you want each answer to lead to. Once you have finished going through each answer and deciding which question it leads on to next, you can just click the back button and it will all save for you. Once you have gone back, what you will notice is that next to your title for your form, there'll be a little symbol, and that will be an indicator to you that the branching feature has been enabled on your Microsoft Form quiz. That then marks the end of this tutorial on how to use the branching feature on Microsoft Forms. Thank you for watching, and as always, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already.